Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to secret chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to secret chat on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening your Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person with whom you want to secret chat on Telegram. So guys, after opening the chat box of the person, you can see their name at the top of the screen. Tap on their name first at the top of the screen, and when their profile appears like this, guys, the three dotted icon will be available for us at the top right corner of the screen. You can see there's a three dotted icon at the top right on this interface. Tap on it and you will find the start secret chat option available over here on the drop down menu just above the app to home screen. Tap on start secret chat, and on this pop-up box again tap on start, and our secret chat will be initiated, and you will be able to secret chat with that person when that person comes online on Telegram. You can see where it says waiting for that person to come online at the bottom of the screen. And this way, guys, the secret chat will be initiated when your contact with whom you want to secret chat comes online. The secret chat will be available over here like this, where it says, guys, use end-to-end encryption, leave no trace on our servers, have a self-destruct timer, and do not allow forwarding. These are the categories of secret chat. And after that person comes online, the secret chat will be available for you over here like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how to secret chat on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.